Hi, I'm Fred with Rollins Machinery. Here we have the Multihog CV350. It's a multi-purpose compact sweeper. It's ideal for municipalities and contractors for sweeping sidewalks and those difficult to get to bike lanes. This machine, with its maneuverability, it has both oscillation and articulation, so the steering articulates. It also oscillates, which allows the front and back to move at 5 degrees, different angles. That allows you to climb up onto a sidewalk if and when you're sweeping, so that's a real benefit. It has an ergonomically designed comfort cab. It has air ride seat, air conditioning, tilt steering and telescopic steering. It really is a comfortable cab. More about the Multihog CV350, call in and see us at Rollins. We're always pleased to help with all your sweeping needs. Thank you.